Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will use visual models to add and subtract two fractions with the same units. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this problem. So we have to make sure when we are adding and subtracting fractions, we have the same units. Just like the same way that if I have 5 dogs take away 4 dogs, that's going to give me 1 dog. So our unit is not going to change. We're just going to focus on the number, right? So we have 5 dogs take away 4 dogs is going to give us 1 dog. So let's take the same concept and go to adding and subtracting fractions. So let's look at 5, 6, take away 4, 6, right? So if I have 5, 6, take away 4, 6, if we leave our units the same, that's going to be 6. And 5 take away 4 is 1. So we will have 1/6. Now here is going to be how we can use a model to represent this as well. So if I have 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I take away 4, 6, let's go ahead and take those 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1/6 left over. Oops, that looks like 16, but that's 6 right there. There we go. So I have 1/6 left over. So 5/4 take away 4/4 is going to give me, 5, 6 take away 4, 6 is going to give me 1/6. All right, now what if we have something that looks like this? If I have 1 and 1/5 take away 2/5. Well, I can see right here, okay, so I don't really have enough fifths right now to take away 2/5, right? But what I can do is I can separate my 1 from my 1/5, right? So that would give me 1 whole and 1/5 minus 2/5. Now I can take this whole and I can divide it into 5 equal pieces. So this is going to give me 5/5 and 1/5. So now I have enough to take away 2/5, right? So if I take away my 2/5, I can go ahead and take away 1, 2/5. How many fifths do I have left over? I have 1, 2, 3, 4/5 left over. So 1 and 1/5 take away 2/5 is going to give me 4/5. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at an addition problem. So we have 5/4 plus 2/4. So if I were to write this, if I was represent this in standard form, I have 5/4 plus 2/4. So we're going to go ahead and solve this using fraction tiles or strip diagrams and also a number line. So now let's go ahead and find a model to represent 5/4. So if I take my whole, I'm going to divide that into 4 equal pieces. But I only have 4 pieces right here. So this is going to give me 4/4. So I need to get another whole to get my last fourth, which is going to give me 1 more fourth. So together with 4/4 and 1/4, I have 5/4. Now I'm not quite done yet because I need to go ahead and add 2 more fourths. So if I add my 2/4, I can now go ahead and count. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/4. So now I have 7/4. All right, now what if we use a number line? Let me go ahead and clear this really quick. Now, if I were to do this using a number line, I'm going to go ahead and start at 0. And I'm going to keep going up till I'm going to keep making tick marks to fourths. So I have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4. I'm going to go all the way to the very end. 8/4, 9/4, and I'll go ahead to go to 10/4. So when we're using a number line, we're going to go ahead and find where 5/4 is, and 5/4 is right here. I need to add 2 more fourths. So I have 1, 2 more fourths right here, which is going to give me an answer of 7/4. So both strategies will work. Just use whichever one works best for you. All right, let's go ahead and take a review of today's lesson objective. So today we used visual models to add and subtract two fractions with the same units. All right, everybody. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope this was a helpful lesson, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, everyone.